President-elect Donald J. Trump nominees for top posts in his administrations are gearing up for the Senate confirmation process, which kicks off this week with more than a dozen confirmation hearings in the days ahead. Republican senators are working to get the president-elect's team in place as quickly as possible, with Trump's inauguration on January 20th, and Republican majorities in House and Senate that are eager to work and get his agenda going. Disha Bagchi, my colleague, now joins us live with more details on this. Now, this is going to be a very interesting hearing, isn't it, Disha? Because many of Trump nominees, like Tulsi Gabbard and others, have been facing criticism, not only from the opponents, but from the quarters within as well.
Right, Ankit, indeed. This is going to be quite a challenge for Trump 2.0 and the upcoming Trump administration and the picks that Trump has nominated for these various roles, especially, as you mentioned, Tulsi Gabbard, who has been nominated for the role of Intel chief, while other nominees as well, such as Pete Hegseth, who is Trump's pick for defense secretary. Now, he is going to be one of the first people to, in fact, stand in front of the Senate confirmation committees and see whether he even gets the confirmation. And now his confirmation is indeed going to be quite a tough task for him, because he faces numerous controversies, whether it comes to sexual abuse, alcohol abuse. Even his opinions about women being in the military and others are quite controversial, and Republicans have in fact questioned his eligibility and his credibility for such an important task, which is the role of defense secretary, given that the US is one of the biggest militaries and their military is worth over $1 billion. So that's quite a crucial role, which is why Republicans are quite wary about Trump's pick, which is Pete Hegseth. And Pete Hegseth is in fact a former Fox News anchor and is in fact an Army veteran, but still does not have the credibility that some of his predecessors might have had. And other nominees such as Tulsi Gabbard, who is Trump's pick for the Intel chief, also her credibility is under question. So this is going to be indeed an uphill task for some of his Trump's picks, while others like Marco Rubio, who are quite credible in the on Capitol Hill, for them confirmation will be an easier process.